What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is about protecting your information, which is often the most critical and valuable asset a business will own. Cybersecurity is based on three fundamental goals. Confidentiality. Any important information you have, such as employee, client, or financial records, should be kept confidential. This information should only be accessed by people or systems that you have given permission. Integrity. You need to make sure to maintain the integrity of this information and other assets such as software in order to keep everything complete, intact, and uncorrupted. Availability. You should maintain the availability of systems and networks, services, and information when required by the business or its clients. Achieving and maintaining these goals is an ongoing process. Good cybersecurity involves the following 6 factors. Number 1. Determining what assets you need to secure. Essentially, anything of value managed or owned by your business. Number 2. Identifying the threats and risks that could affect those assets or your business overall. Number 3. Identifying what safeguards you should put in place to deal with threats and secure assets. Number 4. Monitoring your safeguards and assets to prevent or manage security breaches. Number 5. Responding to cybersecurity issues as they occur, such as an attempt to break into business systems. And number 6. Updating and adjusting to safeguards as needed in response to changes in assets, threats, and risks. What is a threat? The term threat refers to any potential danger to your business, its assets, or employees. Threats can be natural, such as fire and flood. They can also be human in origin. In fact, human threats are becoming more common and require a lot of your attention. The biggest challenge for your business is to define and prioritize assets, threats, and the potential risk of those threats. Then, you have to apply appropriate safeguards. Safeguards are anything you can use to counter threats and reduce risk. These can be anything from software and hardware to policies and specific procedures for employees, vendors, or clients. In many cases, a safeguard is made up of a combination of these elements. The rest of this guide provides advice on how your business can set up a sound cybersecurity process, including identifying threats and risk, as well as establishing safeguards and putting in place the management structure you will need to keep your protection up to date.